Hello and welcome. Today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Mazda remote key fob. What we need to do is split the two halves of the case to access the battery. You take a very small flat-headed screwdriver and just see down there there's a gap where you can place the screwdriver. There you go. And you just prise the top half of the case from the bottom. Now what we need to do is split the bottom half of the key fob to access the battery. Just in there you can see two very small indentations either side there where you can slip your screwdriver in and crack the case like so. Try and be careful with this half of the key fob because this board can very easily fall out and the buttons can very easily get lost. So place it face down on the surface to make sure it's all secure. Now we just get a small screwdriver and flip it underneath the key fob battery and remove it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR1620 like this one. Now it's time to pop it back together. You pop the battery back into the housing, make sure that the writing is facing downwards and so it's in its correct location. And pop the two halves of the case back together like so, make sure it clicks in place. Now it's time to put the top back on. Just push it down like that, make sure it's all locked in place, and there you go, it's all done.